Okay, this parcel just arrived. I'm very happy it did because it's sent by Hermes. It's an eBay win. And Hermes can be really tricky to deal with. So this is the second attempt. So it's full of these papers. So here it is. It's the vintage collection, Bon Vindum. Please excuse the music. Obviously I wouldn't play that sort of music, it's my neighbour. The sort of music a woman would play. Awful. That's the neighbour I've complained about as well to the council, so. She just talks too loud late at night, so I had to tell her to shut up. Great looking figure. I've never actually reviewed this. I thought I had, but I think this is the same one like I got before, like with the Darth Maul offer. Because the one I've got already has this there, but for 20 quid posted, I thought it's not a bad deal. Great looking figure. It looks a bit like the guy from the Goonies. What's his name? Is it Boris? Boris, what was his name? Boris Johnson or something like that. It's a bit of a freak. What was his name? Lump. There's this glass. Full of blue milk. Very nice figure. It's VC53, unpunched. It's in pretty great condition. For 20 quid, not bad, I don't think. The blister feels nice. Still pretty clear. The figure's great, actually. He's a cool little critter. An alien. Good weapon as well. So it's Bon Vindum, Cantina Patron, VC53 for 2010-2011 Black Vintage Collection. I mean, it's not much more than the current, and you know, this is quite old now and quite, you know, it's definitely a nice piece. I'm glad I picked it up. A little bit of, you know, so I'd say this would get about grade, a bad day an 80, on a good day 85. There's a little bit of that corner there is a bit, you know, but otherwise it looks really good. So that's a solid 80, possibly an 85. Very nice figure. Bon Vindum Cantina Patron. Great looking piece. Alright, cheers, goodbye.